Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Al Muntasir. In this video, I will discuss this scenario configuration because it came for me in one of an interviews. Here we have three tasks. Task number 1, configure the links between switch 1 and switch 2 to deal as one link. That means it must be configured as an Ether channel. And the task number 2, configure virtual PC 4 to be in VLAN 10 and virtual PC 5 to be in VLAN 20. And the last task, configure inter-VLAN routing between VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 using OSPF. Okay, firstly, let us start with task 1 and configuring the Ether channel between switch 1 and switch 2. Interface range fast Ethernet 1 from 1 to 2, channel group 1, mode on. This is not preferred, but this is the only option in UNL. Exit. Interface port channel 1, switch port, mode, trunk. Exit. Also in switch 2, configuration terminal, interface range fast Ethernet 1 from 1 to 2, channel group 1, mode on. Exit. Interface port channel 1, switch port, mode trunk. Exit. Now let us show the Ether channel configuration. Show Ether channel, port channel. And now you can see here we have fast Ethernet 1.1 and fast Ethernet 1.2, and its state in Ether channel is on. Also in switch 1, show Ether channel, port channel. You can see here the same configuration. And now we finished task number 1. And now we will go to task number 2, configure virtual PC 4 to be in VLAN 10 and virtual PC 5 to be in VLAN 20. Okay. VLAN 10. Exit. Interface fast Ethernet 1.3, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 10. Exit. Also we'll create VLAN 20 and switch to. Exit. Interface fast Ethernet 1.3, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 20. Exit. Now we finished task 2 and PC 4, virtual PC 4 in VLAN 10 and virtual PC 5 in VLAN 20. And now we have the last task, configure inter-VLAN routing between VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 using OSPF. Okay, now we will go to the switches to configure the trunk between the switches and the router. Interface, fast Ethernet 1 for switchboard mode trunk. Exit and switch 2 also. Switchboard mode trunk, exit. And now we will go to the router. Firstly, show IP, interface beef, interface fast Ethernet 00, no shutdown, exit. We'll create the sub interfaces for VLAN 10. Firstly, two 255.255.255 encapsulation.1q for VLAN 10. Exit. Also for VLAN 20, no shut for the physical interface. No shut. IP address 192.168.255.255.255 and encapsulation.1q for VLAN 20. And now we will show the interfaces in the router. You can see here fast Ethernet 0/0.10 to 192.168.1.1. This is a gateway for VLAN 10. And fast Ethernet 1/0.20 with 192.168.1 is the gateway for VLAN 20. Okay, now let's go to Virtual PC 4 and Virtual PC 5 to check the connectivity between the virtual PCs and the gateway. And now in Virtual PC 5, IP 192.168.2.3/24 and the gateway 192.168.2.1. Okay, now let's try to ping from the virtual PC to the gateway. And now everything is good. Now we need to return to router to configure the OSPF. OSPF1 network 192.168.10.255 area 0 and network 192.168.20.0.0.255 area 0. Now show IP route, and now everything must be good. Ping 192.168.2 free, and now everything is good, and thank you for viewing.